Listen up, because this could be the most important video you watch all year. Think about it. Another year just flew by. Another year where maybe you told yourself things would change. But did they? Here's the harsh truth. Most men will waste another year doing the same things, making the same mistakes, and staying stuck in the same place. And if that doesn't light a fire under you, it should. So today, we're cutting out the BS. I'm going to give you 10 things you absolutely must quit in 2025 if you want to level up in every area of your life. Your mindset, your money, your body, and your relationships. And trust me, these aren't the obvious things like stop playing video games or stop watching Netflix. These are the silent killers, the bad habits that sneak up on you and steal your potential without you even noticing. If you are serious about making 2025 your year, then lock in for the next 10 minutes. Hit the like button for the algorithm and let's get into it. 1. Stop letting emotions control your decisions. Look, emotions are powerful, but they make terrible decision makers. How many times have you wanted to start something, hitting the gym, talking to that girl, launching your business, but fear held you back? I've been there. I've made choices out of fear of failure, fear of embarrassment, fear of what others might think. And every single time, I regretted it. Here's the truth. If a decision was the right move before fear kicked in, then it's still the right move now. Feel the fear, acknowledge it, and then do it anyway. Because in a year, the only thing you'll regret is not taking action. Step 2, stop competing in battles that don't matter. Too many guys waste time competing in areas they don't even care about. You see a guy with a VIP table at the club, and suddenly you feel like you need that lifestyle. You see some dude benching 400 pounds, and now you feel like you're not strong enough. But do you even want those things, or are you just chasing them because society makes you feel like you should? This year, quit the unnecessary competition. Focus on what actually matters to you and let go of the rest. 3, stop neglecting your personal image. Your looks matter. And no, I'm not talking about spending an hour in the mirror perfecting your hair. I'm talking about the basics: clean fit, good grooming, and dressing in a way that makes you look like you respect yourself. It's not vanity, it's strategy. When you put effort into your appearance, you command more respect and get treated better. So what's one thing you can do today to improve how you present yourself? Do that. 4, quit buying into cheap fixes. Ever bought a shortcut thinking it would change your life? Maybe it was a quick fix diet, a get rich quick course, or even one of those ab vibration machines from one of those infomercials. Deep down, we know shortcuts don't work, but we still chase them because they promise fast results with little to no effort. This year, cut out the gimmicks. If you want real results, put in real work, period. 5, stop consuming without taking action. Be honest, how many self-improvement videos have you watched this week? 5, 10? Now, how many of those lessons have you actually applied? It's easy to feel productive when you are consuming knowledge, but knowledge without action is just entertainment. From now on, every time you watch a video, write down one thing you'll implement immediately. Forget the rest. 6, quit living like you have time. Here's the truth. You don't. Every second that passes is a second you never get back. And yet most people act like they have unlimited time, wasting hours on things that don't move them forward. The only way to escape this trap, start fearing wasted time more than you fear failure. Because failure teaches you something. Wasted time just disappears forever. 7, Stop thinking success is a solo game. You've heard it before. Your network is your net worth. And you might be thinking, well, I don't have a high value network. Neither did I, so I built one. You don't need to know millionaires right now. Start by connecting with people who are just a little ahead of you. Exchange ideas, share struggles, and hold each other accountable. Success isn't meant to be a solo journey, so stop treating it like one. 8. Stop stressing over things you can't control. Think of the top 3 things stressing you out right now. Got them? Now ask yourself, can I actually do something about these things today? If yes, take action. If not, let it go. Worrying about those things outside of your control is a waste of energy. Redirect that energy toward what you can change. 9. Quit waiting for the perfect plan. Here's a scenario. Let's say Jack and Marco both want to start an online business. Jack spends months researching, trying to create the perfect strategy. Marco picks an idea, takes action, and learns as he goes. A year later, Jack is still planning. Marco is making money. The lesson? Action beats perfection. Stop waiting. Start now. Figure it out along the way. 10. Stop being a passive consumer. We live in an attention economy. Social media, Netflix, TikTok, everything is designed to keep you consuming instead of creating. If you spend your whole life in consumer mode, you'll never build anything meaningful. This year, flip the switch. Focus on producing more than you consume. Whether that means creating a business, content, or skills, shift your mindset from spectator to player. At the end of the day, success isn't about doing more. It's about cutting out the things that hold you back. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these 10 things and quit it today. Just one. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you are committing to, because 2025 is going to pass either way. The only question is, are you going to be in the same place next year? Or are you going to look back and realize this was the year you finally leveled up? The choice is yours. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.